Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use time in Geometry 2.2. Let's dive right into understanding the new time manipulation features. Geometry 2.2 introduces powerful tools for controlling the flow of time within your levels. You can now precisely adjust gameplay speed, creating dynamic and engaging experiences for players. We'll cover the basics of these new triggers, helping you master this exciting aspect of level creation. The core of time manipulation lies with the time warp trigger. This powerful tool allows you to alter the speed of nearly everything in your level, from player movement to object animations. You can set the speed to a fraction, like 0.5 times for slow motion, or multiply it, such as 2 times for a rapid sequence. Experiment with these settings to achieve unique gameplay segments and surprise your players. Now, let's talk about practical applications. You can combine time warp triggers with other effects, like move or alpha triggers, to create truly dynamic sequences. Imagine a section where the player slows down to navigate a tricky obstacle, then speeds up for an exhilarating dash. Remember to test your levels extensively. Smooth transitions between different time speeds are crucial for a polished and enjoyable player experience. Aim for seamless integration. For advanced creators, consider layering multiple time warp triggers or using them in rapid succession to achieve complex, almost cinematic effects. Syncing time changes with your level's music can also add an incredible layer of immersion and challenge, creating rhythmic gameplay. Don't be afraid to experiment and push the boundaries of what's possible. The new time features offer endless creative opportunities to make your Geometry levels truly stand out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.